Good morning everyone. Welcome to Vishnupriya's Chemistry blog channel. Today's topic is on oil and about. So today's topic is determination of oil and grease in water sample. So without delay, let's start the topic. Determination of oil and grease content in wastewater and effluents. So first come to its description. Now what is oil and grease? Now oil and grease includes fats, oil, waxes and other related constituents which is found in water, generally in wastewater. So if these compounds are not removed before discharge of treated wastewater, so oil and grease can interfere with biological life in surface water and create a unsightly feeling. So its principle is dissolve or emulsify oil and grease is extracted from water by intimate contact with an extracting solvent, where the oil and grease are absorbed by the discs and subsequently eluted with oxygen. So organic solvents again with some sample may form an emulsion that is very difficult to break. So this method includes a means of handling such emulsion. Then determination of oil and grease in water and wastewater. For this we have to refer FY 24th edition 5520B section. What is its method? In which method we have to determine oil and grease, that is liquid partition gravimetric method. Range is nil and the equipment required is separatory funnel, conical flask, measuring cylinder, round bottom flask, desiccator, weighing balance and filter paper. Okay, what are the reagents or chemical used for determination of oil and grease in water? That is hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid 1:1, that is mix equal volume of acid with distilled water, and N-hexane whose boiling point is 69 degrees Celsius, and sodium sulfate anhydrous crystal which is dried at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius for 24 hours in a oven. Then come to the procedure for sample analysis. First take 200 ml of sample in a glass beaker and we have to maintain its pH by adding 1:1 hydrochloric acid, and pH should be less than or equal to 2.0. Then carefully transfer that amount of sample to a separatory funnel through a liquid funnel. Okay. Then rinse the sample beaker which contains that sample with 30 ml of N-hexane and pour it into the separatory funnel. Then shake and mix oil and the layer to separate and repeat the above process 2 to 3 times. Then drain out the aqueous layer in a conical flask. If required, some small amount of organic layer may discharge with aqueous layer. Then again combine the aqueous layer with the organic layer and continue the process till you getting proper extraction of organic layer by adding 30 ml of N-hexane in each process. Then drain the solvent layer or organic layer to a clean conical flask and add exactly 10 gram of sodium sulfate anhydrous crystal into it. Then mix it well. Then filter the above solution through a funnel fixed with filter paper into the pre-weighted distillation flask and put the distillation flask on the water bath at nearly 85 degrees centigrade and continue the evaporating process till the visible solvent condense stops. Finally, remove the distillation flask from the water bath and wipe outside the surface to remove the moisture and transfer it into a desiccator for cooling, and wet the final weight of the flask as soon as possible to avoid absorb moisture. For confirmation of result, always we have to take duplicate sample. Then come to its calculation. What is the calculation? Oil and grease in mg per liter is B minus A into 1000 into 1000 per sample volume, where E is the weight of the empty round bottom flask, which is, that means the initial weight in gram, and the weight of the round bottom B is the weight of the round bottom flask with residue final weight in gram. So we have to convert it in mg per liter. So we have to multiply 1000 into 1000 by sample volume. Okay. Thank you.